Welcome to Easy Money Making and Mentoring Group. Today we are going to show you how to trade NFP 100% profitable. Let's jump in. How to day trade the non-farm payrolls report, NFP, in Jurist or GPUST. Learn strategies for day trading the non-farm payrolls, NFP, report, one of the biggest market-moving events in FOREX. These are strategies you can build off whether day trading the Jurist or the GPUST. You'll learn ways to make money trading actively, using a 1-minute chart and grabbing multiple trades. You'll also learn a simple method you can apply using a 15-minute chart. Trade it in the background while doing other things. Understanding the non-farm payrolls. The non-farm payrolls is released along with the U.S. unemployment number on the first Friday of the month. If that day is a holiday, then it may be released on the second Friday of the month. Check an economic calendar to see when it is released if unsure. The data is released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. It is released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time. The next release is October 6, 2023. The NFP and employment data provide traders, investors, and businesses with insight into how the U.S. economy is performing. This in turn is used to assess where interest rates may go. Interest rates are a key driver of currency price moves. As retail day traders, we don't need to worry about what the actual number is, or what it implies. The strategies you'll learn here are focused on capturing price movement, not making predictions about the future based on hindsight NFP numbers. The report causes swift and sometimes large price moves as traders and institutions react to the NFP news. While there's often a large reaction in the seconds following the announcement, volatility and large price moves may follow for the next several hours. When to place trades, it is in the aftermath of the NFP report that we as retail day traders make our trades. I usually wait at least a minute, and often more, to make a trade after the NFP is released. Don't place or hold day trades through the NFP announcement. It is essentially gambling because even if you pick the price direction correctly, the bid-ask spread can widen so much in the seconds leading up to and following the announcement that you get stopped out anyway. Wait for the announcement to come out. There will often be plenty of trading opportunities after the release. Watch for the spread to return to more normal levels, based on your broker, although slightly elevated spread. Levels are fine and typical following a major news event. It usually takes a couple of minutes or more for the spread to narrow to something resembling normal, then watch for patterns and strategy setups we will discuss below. Why trade the Jurist or GPUST? The Jurist typically has the lowest spread of any currency because it is the most actively traded Forex pair in the world. The GPUST is another heavily traded currency pair. Its spread is usually bigger, but it also tends to have higher daily movement than the Jurist. As of October 4, 2023, the Jurist has average daily movement of 72 pips, while the GPUST moves 91 pips per day, using a 5-week average. The GPUST is moving about 25% more per day. The flip side is that the GPUST spread can sometimes be substantially bigger than the Jurist. There's a trade-off there. Check the typical spread with your broker. If the GPUST and Jurist spreads are similar, then GPUST may give you more movement to capitalize on. If the spread is much bigger in GPUST, then the Jurist is the better bet with the lower spread. My preference is the Jurist. It is the only currency pair I day trade. When day trading, the smaller the spread and the lower the commissions the better. If you're going to day trade, compare Forex brokers, which vary based on which country you are in, because there can be big differences between them. GPUST and Jurist NFP day trading strategies. Let's get into the strategies. The simple strategy, discussed later, doesn't produce many trades and is more something to do in the background because it doesn't take much work/focus. The active strategies that follow can produce much bigger profits and provide more trades, but require more screen time and focus. Active NFP day trading strategy. When I day trade the Jurist, I use the 1-minute chart. It provides ample trading opportunities most days, with news events or not, and because the stop loss is relatively small, it's possible to capture multiple 2R or 3R trades throughout the day. Read what R means here. R is a good way to compare risk and profit across strategies. Simply put, if risking 1% of the account per trade, making a 3-year profit adds 3% to the account, a 15-minute chart may only capture one such trade a day in a 1 or 2 hour trading window. See a comparison of which day trading time frame is best for you here. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Keep tuned, we will be live tomorrow.